Hi, I'm Mark DeFrancesco with MDF Painting and Power Washing. One of the questions homeowners ask all the time is, how do I know when it's actually time to repaint my house? Well, the first sign is peeling paint. Once paint starts peeling, it's no longer protecting the surface underneath, and that's when moisture can start causing damage. Another common sign is fading. If your home has lost that rich color it once had, the sun has likely begun breaking down the paint system. Fading might seem cosmetic, but it's often an early warning sign that the coating is nearing the end of its life. Also, take a look at the caulk around your windows and trim. If it's cracked or peeling away, water has an easy path into your home. Replacing failed caulk before it leads to bigger issues is one of the smartest maintenance decisions you can make. Here's another simple test. Run your hand or a wet sponge across your siding. If you get a chalky, powdery residue, that's called chalking. It's a sign the paint is deteriorating from years of exposure to the elements. And if you see bare wood anywhere, don't wait. Exposed wood absorbs moisture quickly, especially with Connecticut's freeze-thaw cycles, and that can lead to rot and much more expensive repairs. My biggest piece of advice is this: don't wait until your house is screaming for paint. Every spring, spend 15 minutes walking around your home and looking closely at the trim, siding, garage doors, and the areas that get the most sun. Catching small problems early is almost always less expensive than waiting until major repairs are needed. If you're not sure what you're seeing, we'd be happy to take a look and give you an honest assessment. Sometimes a few touch-ups are all you need. Other times, it's the right time for a full repaint. Either way, we'd rather help you make an informed decision than have you spend money before it's necessary. Good luck and happy painting.